Hello crafty friends, I am so excited to be sharing with you a die haul that I got and also some shaker fillers. So the first thing I want to do is show you the dies and then what I made with it. I have not used all of the dies yet, but I'm just going to do my best to show you what I have made so far. So anyway, the first thing is I bought this on Amazon. Mommy loves Gigi. I saw her use this die and she turned it into a shaker die and I thought it was so cute. So I went ahead and bought it. This is the Hero Arts Nested Shapes butterflies and there's 8 pieces in here and I absolutely love it. And this is what I created with it. I used a Julie Nutting doll, some pom-pom trim, and then I just kind of layered it up. And then I added some shaker filler. So let me show you some of the shaker fillers. One of them I am returning, which is this one because let me see if the name of the company's on here. Yes, it's called Min Kiss, and this was on Amazon. These are not even anywhere close to what I ordered, so I'm returning those. I was gonna keep them, but then when I posted my review of how they sent me the wrong item, they rejected it and said that I wasn't following along with community guidelines, and I was like, are you kidding me? I was gonna keep them, and then I thought, you know what? You wanna be a jerk? I'm gonna go ahead and return them, because they were $6.99. Now, for the same price, I was able to get 10,000 little shaker fillers, okay? And these are like little polymer slices, and I'll try to put that link down below. But this has like little rabbit faces and bears, and I don't even know if you can kind of see what's in there. I know it's kind of hard to tell, but anyway. And then this one is different colored stars. I'm sorry, it's just not. They're so cute though. And then also, oh, and I love that they came in individual packages. So in the picture, it showed them all piled together and I was a little worried. And I thought, oh boy, I'm gonna have to go through all these and pick through them. But anyway, it just so happened that they all came in separate packages, so I was really happy. These are little smiley faces. And this one is just like candy and cupcakes, little clouds. This one is supposed to be feathers. It doesn't look like feathers. I have no idea what that is. Looks like an ice cream cone, actually. These are little bows. Really super cute. And these are little fruit slices. Another super cute. I don't know where that... Little dust. Okay. Then we have some little different colored hearts. Very cute. And then also butterflies. Yeah, I hope they're kind of showing. And then these are little flowers. Okay, so anyway, I'll have that link down below. I just want to let you know I am a Amazon affiliate and I do get a little bit of money, but usually on items that are this cheap, I usually get like a penny. But hey, every little penny counts. I like to buy other stuff when I do finally get my money. Usually it's about, I don't know, maybe $30 a year. Is really not that much. But anyway, so let me go on to the next one. I thought this one was super cute. This is KSCraft, and this is also on Amazon. She does have an Alley store as well, but I thought it would be fun to kind of go through these. Hold on, this is not a KSCraft. So this is these little candy shaker dies, and you get 4 different dies. In fact, I'm not even going to open this up. You also get some little stamps on here. Let me see if, oh, it says like sweet birthday, stuck on you, I choose you, sweet wishes, got candy, things like that. Just little stamp words. And then this is what I created from those. So I made these little shakers. Now I will warn you that when it comes to the big one, if you want to cut out the acetate for this, you will have to have a circular die that will go with this, okay? Because for some odd reason, it really is not a shaker like you think. And then you can use this piece to create, where's my smaller one? Hold on, where did it go? I had it like 2 seconds ago. Oh. Okay, then you can cut out the acetate with this die to cover this. See how that goes? Like this, obviously is too small. It can't go in there. So you need to have this is what I use. I use a Spellbinders Nestability dies, and I believe I used this one or this one. But anyway, just want to let you know that, fair warning. Now, when it comes to the little candy twist, like this one, the oval one, this one, you can actually cut the whole piece out in the acetate and then trim this off if you want to. And that will work for that. So that's what you get out of these. So you got a large oval candy and then a smaller one, and then of course the round ones. And I thought they were super cute, and they really do shake. And all I did was cut out the one piece that goes like this on the top like numerous times to layer it up instead of using foam, because as we know, the foam tape is not 1/8 inch thick, wide. So you really need to kind of use the paper and layer up. You can also use foam paper. I have not used that yet. I would love to though. So that was that die. Oops, hold on. I don't want to lose my little candy guy. He fell. Okay. The next KSCraft die is this cute little, it says elegant something LOL paper cards, and it's actually a little treat bag. So let me show you that. I haven't finished it up yet, but I just wanted to show you. This is how cute it is. So you could do like a little 2x3 acetate bag and fill it with candy. Super cute. And then I really love this little bottle cap die. I was hoping it was a little bit bigger. I should have checked the measurements before I purchased it. But this is another KSCraft bottle cap paper die. And let me show you how that one turned out. So this is the largest one, okay? So I'm trying to think sorry guys, I'm grabbing my chair so I can measure this. I think the largest piece was 2 1/4. Yep, 2 1/4, and then this one was 2 1/8. Okay, so I layered it twice, so as you can kind of tell. Anyway, hopefully the pictures will be better if you can't see. But anyway, so I thought that was really super cute. And then one of my other favorite purchases is this little slimline tag. And what I love about it is that she gave you one tag, but different topper choices, okay? Hold on. And you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those. And then this one, the length of this is 7 1/8 by, let's go the widest part at the bottom, 2 3/4. Okay, so 7 1/8, 2 3/4. So it makes a pretty decent size tag. And I'm about to show you those. If you don't follow me on Instagram, there's a lot of stuff on Instagram that I don't post on here. But I will actually today just to show you these particular dies. But this one is, I love the little doily topper. Is that not cute? And in case you're wondering who this little digi paper, I'll have that in the links down below too. And I bought it from the same person. It's like Capra Rouge or something on Etsy. Love the digital papers, but underneath there is Doodlebug. And this is Doodlebug. And the bow is Doodlebug. The only thing that is a printout is the stars and the little ghosty. And then for my friend's birthday that's coming up, I made this little narwhal card, and I actually printed that out myself. That's my own font. And then, lastly, I made this cute little gumball machine with candy corns in it, and it says, boo. I thought it was so cute. But anyway, so these are, I think these two are the same style. I kind of fell in love with these two the most. But anyway, I will definitely be making more of these. As you can see, I keep making them. I can't stop. Let's see what else. So, and then of course I have the little snowflake die. If you watched my Facebook live show, I do have that tutorial up. I'm trying to find the card where I used one of the dies. I don't know where it is. Oh, sorry. this one. So again, this was another purchase that I made, and I thought, what was I thinking? Because I didn't check the measurements of the snowflakes, but actually it turned out it's a really great size for making cards. That's for sure. Embellishments, it just depends on how big of an embellishment you want to make. So that one was really cute. This is not KS Crafts, but I'll put that link down below. The rest are not KS Crafts. This one is a little mermaid die cut apart. I thought that was really cute, so I thought I would try that one out. Again, this was smaller than what I thought it was. So from now on, I'm definitely going to be checking out the size. And I just got this one in. Took about 2 weeks to get in, and I bought this one on Amazon as well. And I'm going to pull it out. It's a little snowman with a scarf. I thought this would be really cute to put on top of one of those bottle caps. Or I could do like a scalloped round one, or any kind of tag, anything. I thought it would be really super cute. I just got that in yesterday. So anyway, I thought I would share this with you. I hope you all have a wonderful and fabulous day, and I will be seeing you tomorrow. Bye. Sunday. Bye.